Oh Lord, I've done it now. Resume. Resume the music. Hello? Hello? Oh, that's gonna... Hold on, let me refresh that so that it's not playing any audio. I got my stream open to the side, although it's loading. Oh, lordy. I probably have like way too many tabs open. My computer's like, no, please. Better open Task Manager. That's not too bad, 50% memory, but Twitch is definitely having a hard time loading. Probably don't need videos open. Just trying to see if I have anything weird open before I start. Don't think I do. We're just gonna be doing some Godot stuff, seeing how that goes. Okay. What did I want to do? So right now I have this guy that runs around. That's good. But I think for today what I want to do is work on maybe animating a sprite for it, or just adding maybe a background for now. The goal of this is probably going to be to make some kind of horror game, but I know it's gonna take a while, so let's see. Kochayuyo. I need like a to-do list or something. I don't need Task Manager open. Let's get that out of here. So I have this app also called Obsidian that I use. That's gonna let me take notes and stuff. Hold up. I don't want you to see that quite yet. It's okay if you see it, I don't really care. Wait, what does it say? What did I write about? Thinking about Souls-like game. Oh yeah, I want to make a Souls-like game at some point, but probably not today or anytime soon for that matter, because it's a lot. Yeah, this is pretty much the gist of what's going on. I wanted to make a Souls-like game. That's cool, but I don't really have the resources to do that right now. It's gonna be a lot, so I want to make something that's a little more doable, like a horror game, because I know that's more of a, I don't know, genre friendly thing to do for a solo dev. So where do I get started? Let's start with what do we call this? World? No. Setting, that's right. Setion. So what I'm thinking is main character is going to be exploring an abandoned, I don't know how to spell, mall late at night when things take a turn for the worst. hold on. Before we even get into setting, maybe it's a good idea to have like core mechanics and stuff sorted out, because I know that's a big thing when starting new projects. You got to have the core mechanics mapped out beforehand. So, basic horror game shenanigans. There will be a handful of monsters slash, I don't know, enemies. The character has to navigate around. Yeah. I want there to be good movement, like responsive, fast-paced. Good amount of environment interaction. Things like obstacles. Random object interactions. No. Generation. Main monster should have, excuse my dog, she's barking. Main monster should have fast movement as well. I don't know. Let's see. Darkness should be emphasized. Minimal. What is it called when you're able to see something like obscured vision. That's what I was thinking of at times. What is it called? It's like it's that thing where like you can see around yourself. Peripherals, I think. One second, I gotta get my dog. Okay. Hey, why are you barking? Don't be barking. Yeah, I'm thinking like this type of thing, where it's like you can only see so far around yourself. This is a good image to have. Hold on. Maybe I should have like a folder for this real quick. Do I have one? No, I'll make a new folder real quick for this so I can have somewhere to put untitled horror game. You guys can't see it because it's on my other screen, but we will put that in here, and then like this. So it's like incomplete field of view. Incomplete field of view. Hey, dog, no barking. Actor can't see behind themselves to field behind character should be blurry and areas like around corners and stuff might also be blurry or dark. How I would implement that, I have not really much of an idea. Can I like minimize the image? It's fine. Get that window off screen for a minute. Okay. What next? I guess for now, all we can do... Let me just make a link here to core mechanics so that they're connected, and setting 2. There we go. Now they be connected. Nice, nice. I don't really know how to customize these nodes or anything, but it's still cool to see. Okay. So what I have done here, where's Godot? What I have in Godot done so far, I was actually doing this for a different game that I was gonna do, the Souls-like I was thinking about, but that is overwhelming. So what we're gonna do is instead use this as a template for the horror game or whatever. Hello, dog. My dog is in the room chilling. Okay. What should I do next? I think it'd probably be more fun to experiment with animation, like getting an animated character sprite instead of just a static dude that I found on the internet. Oh crap, hold on. Where is this file in my actual computer? How do I view this in a folder form? Oh, there you go. Because this is saved in a place I don't really want it to be saved. Oh crap, this is gonna be an issue, isn't it? Because like, I don't really want it to be saved because I have a completely different folder for that specifically. Like, this was gonna be in my Souls like folder or whatever. Is there a way I can move, like I can move it, you think? I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to Godot. So I think res is like the folder that normally is like the default thing for Godot. I mean, it's probably fine for now. I just don't like that it's named that way. Maybe I could just rename it. Test that real quick. Does this mess up stuff? I don't think so unless I restart the program, which is probably fine actually. Maybe here, I'll just save what we have here. Close Godot for a minute. Rename that file. This destination already contains a folder named Untitled Horror Game. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, maybe that will work. We'll see. No, it messed up. Darn. I guess I have to keep it named Souls Test then, which I don't really want to do. It's gonna mess up everything if I... Okay, no, it's still there. Oh, that's good, but if I open it in File Manager, it's still gonna be named Souls Test, ain't it? No! Is there a way to just duplicate projects? I don't know. Duplicate projects, I mean. Can I just make a copy of this by any chance? Gocha Yuyo. I don't know why, but that image means seaweed. I don't want it to be under Souls tests, but here, maybe I'll ask GPT or something. Is there a way to duplicate Godot projects so that I can rename the file without losing everything? Yes, you can duplicate. I'll just have this open so you guys can see. Yes, you can duplicate, locate your project folder. Oh, I'm stupid. I can literally just open the same. Let me see if I have anything weird open in my documents first. Nah, I don't care if you guys see this. So if I just duplicate this, I guess. Well, actually, let me see how big this is first. If it's a huge font, no, it's only a few megabytes are fine. All right, let's just copy. Wait, that's what I'm supposed to do, right? Paste the project folder, rename the copy. Yeah, I'll just see if that works real quick. Let me exit Godot first, maybe. Not correct, so we copy and paste. Weep. Rename this to Untitled Horror Game. What? Oh, I already have that. Let me try to just rename it with something else. I didn't want to paste it again. What did I just do? Let me undo whatever I just did. I need to practice my typing, man. Just name it folder for now. That should do. I'll move this back over here for now. Oh, it's because I already had the same file open for the Obsidian stuff. Okay, let's reopen Godot. It ain't here. Wait, what did a GPT say? Open Godot and go to the project manager. Oh, import. That's stupid. This guy, I guess. Am I doing the project? So many windows. Goddamn. Duplicated project in Godot. Navigate to the location. The project. Okay. Should be it. Well, I mean, I think it's gonna be named that though, isn't it? Actually not necessarily, because a few of these games I have are not named the same thing as their folder path or whatever. Let's just do that. Should be the same stuff that I had in the other one. Cool. And we'll just try to rename. Actually, let me go back. Yeah. Cool. Now that that's settled, I can start doing stuff without feeling bad about the location being weird. Open File Manager just to test it. And it's in the right folder. Cool. Now, this is gonna be a little weird because I'll rename this for Godot. Oh wait, no, I can't because I just made that the path for the Godot project, so I can't really rename the folder We'll keep the one in our documents for the Godot project, and then I'll go to my desktop folder because I have a separate one. And I'll rename this for like general use. General dash obsidian use. Okay, that works, I'd say. So I was using this folder here for, I'll use that for whatever I have in the obsidian folder, like images and stuff. And then we'll have, where's the other? I have a documents one for the Godot project. So this has like, or not? What the hell? Wait, what the heck? Where's the this guy? Yeah, what? Wasn't that one up? I thought I just opened that one, but that was the obsidian one. Why are there multiple? I have one in the documents as well. What? What's this one then? Where did this come from? Okay, clearly I'm getting myself too confused with this. Yeah, this was the one. I don't know why I have all these different ones. Bro, what the fuck? I guess? Sure? I'm just gonna delete the one I have on my desktop then. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on with that, but we'll just keep everything in the documents folder. I don't know why these are like sorted differently as well. Okay, rename this one to No, don't copy it. Don't paste it, dude. Why are all my dogs looking at me? You want to go out or something? Okay, this one is for Godot, but I can't rename this one, so we will rename this one to non-Godot. My goodness, why? Why can't I rename it? What was the issue? Show me. This action can't be completed because a folder or a file in it is open in another program. What, Obsidian? Because I have the Obsidian one in use. Oh lordy, this is stupid. I guess I can't rename this one because it's in use in Obsidian, so... Okay, I just have to make the distinction. So the folder is for Godot, non-folders for Obsidian. Okay. I don't need to close that, I don't know why I closed it. Just put it on the other monitor for now. Alright, now that that's freaking confusing as heck, we will figure out sprite sheets. Animated sprite 2D Godot. Let's do some reading. Yippee! I have my art program Krita open for this. I'll try to figure it out. Do something basic. In this tutorial, I'll learn how to create 2D animated characters with the animated 2D class. So I know we have sprite sheets, right? But I don't know how to set them up. Well, the problem with this is that it's not going to work for mine specifically. Like, it'll work a little bit, but because we have the character moving in 8 different directions, being right, left, up, down, and then diagonally, we're going to have to animate up, down, right, and then 2 of the diagonal movements, because we can just mirror the images on the other way, on the other like axes. So in total I think we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different animations, and then for the other side we just mirror the animation. So we can use this guide, I'm sure, to like figure out like the animated 2D sprite movements and whatever, but I'm gonna have to do like the programming and stuff separately, so I can't really use this. I can use it as a guide, and I'm just gonna use GPT to try and make it for me. So I mean, I already have the movement that programmed, but yeah, not the animation like cues or whatever. I just need to figure out how to make the sprite sheets. Do they have a specific guide? Like a template or something? Like, I don't know what the dimensions should be for when I set up an actual like image. I'm gonna just ask GPT. Let me hide the sidebar so you guys don't see anything. Excuse me. Also, I should probably do even more animations, because I also have a sprint mechanic where you're like walking and then you're sprinting. You can see that it's like a little faster. There's no visual cue for it right now, but you can see he moves a little faster when I hold shift. That's funny. Let's see. I don't see anything about dimensions being written here unless I'm just stupid, which is entirely a possibility. I know nobody's really watching here this stream right now. I'm gonna open this another tab. but it's still. A little hard for me to read. Let's see. Oh wait, maybe I can just make individual frames. Hold on, maybe not do it as a child. Let's just make it part of the main node for now. Animated to Sprite 2D. Let's just mess around with this. Sprite frames. Wait. Can I really just like add frames? Is that something we can do? So, like, I have no clue what the dimensions should be. Is there like facts I can find or something? Man, I got so much learning to do. I have no idea what any of this sidebar stuff does. Also, I feel bad because you guys probably can't really see what's going on in the sidebar there. Let's move the chat over a little bit. Maybe that'll be better. Where's that 2D sprite? I feel like I should probably do a sprite sheet, right? Because it looks like we can do individual files, but it would probably be more efficient to do a sprite sheet. Maybe you can just ask GPT how to set up a sprite sheet real quick. Yeah, I feel bad. Here, I'll just have my tab open over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. But then my freaking label's in the way. Dang it. Where do I put you? I'll just leave you like a little higher. Wow. Okay. How would I go about creating a sprite sheet for a 2D animation node in Godot? I already have the node set up and know where the sprite sheet import button is, but I don't and I want to set up a sprite sheet using my art software Krita, but I don't know how to set up, I don't know, like the resolution and slash or spacing for each sprite, I guess, cell, because it's gonna look like a I'm not gonna demonstrate right now, but I'll show you what I mean in a second. I'm just gonna let it generate before I attempt to read this. Okay. Creating a sprite sheet for a 2D animation noting Godot is using Godot involves setting up your sprite sheet with the correct resolution and spacing. Okay, cool. Looks like I'm getting what I want. Sprites. Each frame has the same resolution. Well, you could tell me how big the image should be. I guess I have to kind of do the math on my own. Oh wait, no. Create a new document in Krita with a canvas large enough to fit all your frames in a grid. For example, if you have 10 frames, each of a 64x64 pixels, and you want to arrange them in a single row, your canvas size should be 640x64. That makes sense. Okay, this is actually really helpful. This is kind of what I was looking for as well. Okay, so step 2 is kind of what I'm looking for. So I guess we'll do 10 frames. No, we'll just do 5 because I'm only doing this to test right now. Like I'm not doing this for a really good animation because I obviously don't know what I'm doing quite yet. Once we get a better idea of how to set it up, then I can try to do something better, but I think we'll do that for now. So we'll do, wait, it said 320x. Oh no, this is for 5 frames in 2 rows. We'll just do 5 frames total. So it's gonna be, I think, 320x64 because that should just be enough for 5. So what was it? 320x64. 320x64 pixels. Resolution's 100 ppi. Pixels per inch, I think that means. Okay. I guess we'll do pixel art. Yeah. I mean, this is what you're gonna get either way. How you doing, puppy? Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna check a few things. I might let my dogs out real quick. Wait. Let's reopen GPT first. I feel like my dogs are getting restless, so I might let them out real quick. I know you guys might be getting a glimpse of my Luigi's Mansion dynamic background there. That's pretty cool. Give me 1 second. I'm going to let my doggies out, I think. BRB. The best developer in the world has returned. Let's get some sprites done using my stylus. Gonna make sure I got the my frickin' stuff right real quick. Okay, looks like we're all good. Yeah. I'll do. Alright, we're done with our sprite sheet. Oh man. Where's my, where the hell is my chat box? Where's my chat box? Why is it not generating anything? Whoops. Test. John. What? Bro, why is it not logged in through Streamlabs? Fine, I'll send the message in Twitch instead. There it is. I don't know why. I guess this is just a long song or something. Oh wait, no, it's because I returned to scene from being away. Correct. Okay, let's get back to work. Let's get a little serious here. Alright, what did GPT say we have to do? We need to set up a grid. I don't know why it's saying step 2 before step 3. Like I need the grid to help me set this up. View show grid. View show grid. And then what? We need to fix this, right? View, configure the grid size. Go view, grid and guides, grid settings. Where's grid and guides? Hello? Dog! My dog be barking a little. Do you guys see show grid and guides? Am I stupid? What the hell? Show grid and guides. Where is this? I think GPT might be hallucinating because I don't know where exactly that is. Settings, maybe? No. That's to configure the shortcut, not the actual grids. Am I missing something? Can't left click. Bruh. Guess I just gotta look it up then. Yeah, where's grid and guides though? Dog barking. Why am I so stupid, dog?
How to show, hide and modify grids in key panel, grid and guides. Find that in settings, dockers and grid and guide.
Hey, thank you, Nuclear Pie. I know who you are. How goes it? Grid and guides. Where is it? Yay! I found it. Okay, so we need X spacing. We need one of these to be 64. I know that. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so 64. Wait. No, it's perfect. That actually works out perfectly. Okay, so we have 5 frames. Sick. Each of these is 64 by 64. I think we're good to start like drawing then. So the only problem, I should probably have one, I guess, layer for frames, or like a layer per frame maybe. So do frame 1 and we'll have it in this first cell here. I'll just do a little guy. I ain't no artist, okay? Also, I should probably make the background transparent if I had to guess. Dog! No barking! Alright. Give me like 1 second. Gotta go tame my dog real quick. Alright, I've returned. My dog was trying to protect us from a killer mailman. Gotta appreciate her for that, you know. They're real dangerous out there, those mailmen. Okay, what was I doing? I don't need to check Discord right now. Let's go and color this guy. I want to have his head be like yellow. Body can be like purple. He can be like multicolored. This will just be my testing boy. This is not Minecraft. I'm making a game. It's serious. This is my demo scene. I got a guy who looks around and can run around. Right now I'm trying to make... Oh no, it's okay, bro. It's okay. I'm gonna make... For today, I'm trying to make a animation for this player dude here. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I guess this can just be the stationary guy? Wait, so what exactly am I animating? So we have just the stationary guy. I guess that'll be like the starting frame for the movement. Yeah, that's fine. And then we'll what the hell? That's not what I wanted to do. Did I press the wrong buttons? Control C, Control V. No, that worked. Move frame 2. No, I need to move it like perfectly to the center here. Now this is tricky because I don't know how like... I mean, it's probably close enough, like, so that the animation might not be offset. I don't know. Because it has to be evenly spaced, right? I should probably watch a guide on this, to be honest, but like, I mean, each frame's gonna be different anyway. The only thing that needs to be kind of consistent is like, excuse me, like the positioning. I'll rename that to frame 2, that layer. Then I need to like fix this so that it's like, here, I'll make another frame 2 real, and then actually hold on, no, I'll delete this frame or this layer, copy and paste this layer, rename it to real, and then we will erase the real layer, erase that one, and then I guess opacity should be like half so that we can see behind it. Go back to the real frame. Would using alternating colors be a good way to judge if it's centered? Potentially. I think it doesn't really matter right now, because all I'm doing right now is trying to test if it works at all. So we will try and just make it move a little bit. So we'll try to make this animation be him moving right. So maybe we'll have him like diagonal a little bit. I have no idea how to animate movement, by the way, so if he's moving to the right, I mean, I guess it won't change all that much right now. Maybe lift his leggy a little bit. Make his arm behind. One forward? I think that looks okay. And I'll erase that other guy. No, completely. Then I'll erase that little bit of overlap there. Wait, why is that not? Okay, that's fine. Change back to the right tool, and we will do a little bit of oops, green there, blue there. Screw it, I'm not even gonna bother copying. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's gonna look real janky when I'm going to test it, but that's okay. Wait. This one should probably be, so this one goes forward after, like that. This one's going back, I think. Oh, I don't like that this leg is still the same. How would I alternate that? I think it would probably be best just to have it go back to the middle, so it looks like he's maybe in the middle of the step. Because this foot is going to be coming forward. This foot's going to be going back. So they should probably just be neutral again. Bro, what is this song? I'm not a fan of the song. Let me, what the hell is going on? Skip this. I don't like that. This is a weird song. Love me. Go back to purple. Fill in the blanks. This is all we're doing today. Trying to figure out animation, whatnot. So his head is going to the right and then alternating back down. So I think, oh no, my dog is barking again. Not what I wanted. Probably good. So now he's stepping with this leggy. Yes. No, I messed up the connection. Dang it. Bro, look how tubby he looks there. It's probably good enough for now. So this right arm is going to be going forward. This one will go back. Right? No, wait, I should really make it like arched, yeah. Look real carefree if he was like a penguin or something. Maybe if I do a little larger pen stroke here, the eye might look a little better. Oh, I forgot his little leggy there. Now, the only really annoying part of this is that I'm gonna have to, like, animate this same guy, like, what was it? What'd I say? 5 different times because of the directions. Actually 10, because he's gonna be sprinting in some of those directions too. But you know what? It's cool. It's all part of the process. Reduce this pen stroke, and then what should the 5th frame be? I guess he's just kind of returning to neutral again, so slightly angled. Nah, we'll just make it neutral again. Good enough. We're just testing it. Whoa! Whoa! It's you. He's literally me for real. This is what I should have done all along. Just Ryan Gosling's face for all 5 frames. Now it's peak. This is him. He's literally me. No, maybe I'll do that as a joke later. Alright, this should be good though. No, wait. So we were keeping everything in documents. The sprite sheet should go to... Oh, fuck, I already forget which one was which. I think this one was for the Godot project. No, we'll save it in the basic folder for now, I think. Sprite sheet. What did GPT say to do? I'm guessing this should not have a background, so it shouldn't. The white background shouldn't probably not be there, so I'll delete that. Yep, and then I'll have to save without a as PNG, hopefully without or like a store alpha channels. Yeah, store alpha channel. So that should be right. This should be the PNG version. Then we're gonna have, where did that save to? It's gonna be, I think I saved it here, yeah. So I'm probably gonna put this in the Godot wait, no, it's not the right tab. I think we can put the sprite sheet here maybe. Where did that go? Cool, sprite sheet's there. Let's try to... Maybe I can just like replace this player sprite with here. I'll try to fill in this player sprite first. Cool, so this looks right already pretty much. We're gonna do 5, I think. No. Should be 1, I think. Yep. This should be 5. Yes, perfect. And then I need to select each frame, so it's gonna be like that. He should be on top right here. Maybe you can make it a little bigger. It's like the same size as my original dude. And I guess maybe we can just hide this for now. And then I need to, let me see if I can, how do I play it? That doesn't look too bad for now, but what I want to do is play this whenever I move. So I'm gonna have to go back into the script, the movement script, and we're finally doing some programming today. So my answer to this is going to Mr. GPT. I'll have to copy and paste the code probably. So I love programming, yes. I'm just gonna copy all this. Use my good buddy. I love words. Alright, so let me just ask my friend here how to do this. I have a, what was it called? Animated Sprite 2D. Sprite 2D node in Godot that simulates player movement. Yeah, that's fine. I won't specify that it's supposed to be towards the right yet. We can mess around with like flipping the axis after we get it to work. Have an animated sprite 2D node in Godot that simulates player movement. How do I edit the following player control code to animate, or execute the animation whenever the player inputs directional movement. Oh wait, maybe, I don't know if I should do it on this controller specifically, or if I should add a script to the animated. It's probably better to just have it with the script because it's all in one place. Animated 2D sprite node as a child of your player node. That I do. Correct. Extends character body. I'll probably just copy and paste this without even thinking about it. This line, let's see. I already know I'm gonna have to change that. I'm just gonna go ahead and not even look at it and just paste it. Let's see what I already know. Oh, I got that right. Nice. Usually it messes up the move and slide call at the end of there. So that's correct. We have dust particles, which animates whenever the player moves. The animated sprite 2D. That name is correct already. I don't know if I really want to change the name of it. It's probably fine. Let's see what it changed. Animated sprite. Oh, I think it added maybe this. What did I paste before? Did it have that? Is it in player movement? What function is this in? Yeah, it is. Excuse me. Yeah, so it had particles at some point. Where's the comment? Yeah, so it added that in this block here, or before the particles. It should be fine. Let's just save this, see what happens. So he's not moving. Okay, so it does not work yet. Unless it's maybe one specific button. No. I mean, the camera still works, so that's good. It does not work quite yet. I think it probably has something to do with these. Let me read the full thing. With animations set up for each direction. Walk up, walk down. I want to know what it means by this. I might have to set up something in like Godot's project settings. Oh wait, no, I have to name them accordingly. Like the sprite sheet, I guess? Do I have to rename it, like, specifically? Because it's calling, like, specific, I guess, file names when I'm pressing, like, or I'm putting in, inputting movement. So I don't know where to store these, because right now it's all going to be the same. Should I rename the sprite sheet maybe? I guess I can just ask it, right? Alright, I'll see you later, Nuclear Pie. Good luck with your driving lessons. I know who you are. I'm just not gonna say your name because I don't want to say it on stream if you don't want me to. But good luck. Doxford! Alright, bye, Ben. Have a good day. I'm gonna have to figure out what this is exactly, or how to reference this. When you say animation names like walk up or walk down, how do I name these accordingly? I have a Sprite sheet set up right now that is saved in my Godot res directory as just Sprite sheet, I think. Is that it? Yeah. .png. Should I rename that PNG? Individual animations you create within the animated node. You're giving me a lot of information here, buddy. Let me see. Maybe I should look into that. Hold on. Let me go into node here. What the heck? For the individual animations you create with the not to the file names of your sprite sheets. You don't need to rename your sprite sheet PNG file. Instead, you need to set up and name the animations within Godot's animated sprite 2D node. Okay. Okay, had that. Did that. Got it. Split the sprite sheet. In the sprite frames. Hold on, let me. Wait, where the heck? Okay, cool. Bro, what is the monkey doing? Why is he yelling? This is some funky jazz we're listening to right now. Tarzan dance is called. Right over here. Okay, let me go back to reading, sorry. What the hell? H frames and V frames, honey. I think I did that already. In the sprite frames editor, click the plus button. How do I get back to that editor that we saw earlier? Yeah, this one. Oh, I think I have to rename this, right? Rename? No. My dogs be barking. Hold on. BRB question mark? Do I have to go? They might have stopped immediately. Hold on. Nah, they're fine for now. How do I rename this animation? Copy frame, paste frame, nope. Empty over empty after. This is cool though. I like this. It's nice. this song we're listening to right now is called Smoking Cigars. Weirdly enough, I think I had a dream last night where I was like smoking cigars. I don't know why. I don't smoke at all, but I felt like a rich old man in the 50s or whatever. Oh, there we go. I guess I just needed to click on it. Walk. We'll just call it walk. And then we're going to change the script names to just walk. Because that's all it will be for now. So we don't have directional movement right yet. I just want to test if this works. This should work. I think that's all I needed to do. Yay! He's walking! Hey, he's walking here. Let's go! I actually did something productive today. Woo! I'm definitely going to clean this up, but for now, that's awesome. And I think another problem I'm going to have is that he's probably at some point going to be carrying a flashlight. So when I move the cursor around like this, I want his arm to be like moving towards the cursor, like with a flashlight or whatever object he might be holding. Because I think I might want to do like a little inventory system where like you can throw like rocks or something. I don't know. Rocks in an abandoned mall, that might not work very well, but that's okay. For now, we figured out directional movement animations, so that's really cool. I actually did something. Whoa! My reaction when I figure out something in Godot. Okay. Should probably just keep going, right? Wait, it's not what I wanted to pull up. Yeah, that's cool. We don't need the player sprite anymore, so I will just delete that. Now we have our boy, our animated boy. I want to mess around with maybe lighting. Nah, I don't know. Should I mess around with lighting? Is there any? I don't think there is any light right now. Let's see if there's any nodes just built in. It looks like there is some for 2D. Let's try directional light. Is this it? Yeah. Looks like it's just a set thing, or like a world light, if you will. That's cool. Doesn't look like it adds any like brightness or anything. Like if I have it be black, it just goes like transparent mode. Yeah, so that's not shadow? Maybe? No? I don't really know. Let's disable that for a sec. I don't know what canvas item or node 2D exactly do yet. Let's see if this affects anything if I adjust the height. No, not right now. Let's try to delete this. Try point light instead. That texture. So right now it doesn't show anything. I'll have to mess around with this maybe. No idea what this means. Nah, I'll mess around with the lights later, I think. Is there anything I need to add here to Obsidian yet? Should I add animation or something, do you think? Do I need to? Maybe I should. Let's make an animation node, I guess. Since this is a 2D top-down game, any creature slash player slash NPC that moves is gonna have like 8-way movement or 8-way directional movement. So I think, yeah, so we'll have 5 walking animations and 5 sprinting animations is gonna be the minimum amount of art needed to make them move fluidly. Yes, that is correct. I guess I should write the process. 1. The side resolution in Krita for number of frames to set up grid guides to distinguish frames We don't exactly have a polished system for centering the frames, as you saw earlier in the stream, potentially. So I'll have to add, I'll just say, come up with way to center art in frames consistently. Then save sprite sheet with transparency. Then import, or yeah, no, that's fine. Import sprite sheet to Godot directory, set up 2D animated sprite if not done already, then add animation within node. Set frames for animation in node, then add appropriately named animation within node. To be used as reference in movement script. For input animation. Add named movement animation to script. Yep, that should be it. I don't know if it's really gonna apply here. Let me just make a note. Okay, should be good for now. This is really vague. I mean, I already kind of know what I want to do for this. These are combined pretty much. Doot, doot, doot. Alright, I might call it a day here, I think. I'm a little tired. La creatura. yeah, I guess I can call it there for a day. My only goal for today really was to get myself to stream and then add maybe like one mechanic, and that's what I did. So yeah, I guess I'll end it here. I was gonna maybe play something, but I don't think I have the time. Or I probably have the time, but I might not have the energy. So I guess maybe I'll call it there. Thanks for anybody who stopped around, and try to maybe stream the next day or two as well. I will see you guys later. Bye.